Welcome to this video, which will walk through encoding an RFID tag with the Vulcan RFID read and write software. Here's what our setup looks like for this video. The Vulcan RFID UHF Tag read and write software, a ThingMagic USB Pro RFID reader, and a sample pack of UHF RFID tags. Once you purchase the Vulcan software, you'll receive an email with instructions on how to download and install the software. I've already downloaded and installed the software, so now I'm just going to open it and get started. Now that we have the software open, I'm going to go through a quick overview of all the buttons on screen so that you're aware of your options. The top area right here contains all of the reader connection tools. To the right is the Help button, which launches a web browser and opens up a guide to setting up the software. Next is the reader configuration section, which allows the user to adjust power and display settings. The next area allows users to upload a pre-filled Excel spreadsheet with encoding data to the software for faster encoding. Below that, to the left, is our reading, writing, and locking features. And then to the right is the data field, where the read and write data will populate. Let's connect our USB reader to our computer and the software. Plug in your UHF RFID reader, and under the manufacturer dropdown, select JDAC, and under the connection dropdown, select serial. Your computer will usually let you know which port your USB reader is connected to. However, if it doesn't, click Scan Available Ports to use this software to locate your reader. My reader is connected via the COM3 port, so I'll go ahead and input that and click Connect to my reader. Once the reader is connected, the software will let you know via the data field. Now that our reader is connected, I will go over the basic reading and writing features. The tags I'm using today are the SmartTrack Dogbone UHF RFID tags, which I have here ready to go. It's important to note that this software is designed to read and or write one tag at a time, so you cannot have more than one tag in the read zone at once. Because of that, the power settings are automatically configured to be very low, but these settings can be updated in the Configure Reader dropdown. Here's what happens when there's more than one tag being read in the read area. As you can see, it's important to keep the power low and the tags separated, which means that it's not recommended to use the software with tags on a roll. I'll go ahead and read and encode 3 UHF RFID tags. Now that we've done the basics, let's go ahead and upload an Excel spreadsheet so we can get the most out of the software program. I'm going to upload this very basic spreadsheet with numbers incrementing from 1 to 10. If your Excel spreadsheet has more than one column, it can still be uploaded, as long as the data to encode is in column A. Here we go. Okay, so just like that, it only took a few minutes to encode these 10 tags, which saves a large amount of time spent remembering and keying in the number for each specific tag. Thanks for watching this video tutorial on using the Vulcan RFID UHF Tag read and write software. If you have any comments or questions, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more RFID videos just like this one.